Hi everyone, my name's Mel. I'm the General Manager of Programs and Quality here at Playgroup New South Wales. We're so excited to be coming back face to face. It's awesome. I'm going to introduce you to Al, our lead educator, who's going to take you through some steps about how to make Playdough at home. We just wanted to say welcome back everyone. We have no more COVID restrictions in place in New South Wales and we're really excited to get everyone back to their communities. See you later.
Hey everybody, we're down here at Parramatta today with all our little friends and we're just going to show you how to make some Play-Doh with things that you'll probably have in your pantry at home. Everyone say hello to all our friends at home. Hi! It's a beautiful day out here. We're so glad we can be here. Now all the restrictions are lifted, we can get back into the real world. Have lots of fun. So today, the ingredients that we're going to use are flour and salt and some cream of tartar and water, vegetable oil and food colouring. So let's get started. Who would like to pour the flour into the bowl? Ready? Here we go. Would you like to hold the cup? You hold the cup for Al. We're going to do 2 cups of flour. Okay, pour it in. Good job. And one more, ready? Hold the cup. Great work. And now we're going to do a cup of salt. Would you like to hold the cup again? Or would you like to hold the cup? You hold the cup and you can pour it into our big bowl. Ready? There you go. You pour it in there, sweetheart. Ready? Pour it in here. Ready? We'll do it together. 1, 2, 3. Now, this one is called cream of tartar, so we need 1 spoonful. So Al will get out 1 spoonful. Pour it in. Oh, it's nearly ready, isn't it? And we're going to put in a cup of water. Would you like to fill this cup up with water from this bottle? Would you like to pour it in? Do you want Al to help you? Okay, ready? And we're going to put 1 spoon of oil in. Ready? Watch the oil go in. Wow. Ready? Say 1, 2, 3, go! And oh, my little friend here has chosen we're going to make blue Play-Doh. So you just need a few drops of food colouring. So we're going to put a few drops in. And now can you tip the cup of water in? Ready? Do it together, ready? 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to mix it with this big mixing spoon. Here we go. If we look over here, on this table we've got lots and lots of Play-Doh already made. For all your special friends to take home with you. Okay, everyone at home, you just keep mixing until it gets firmer. And then you put some flour on your table. Ready? Let's put some flour down. We're going to put our Play-Doh in here. And we're going to mix it on the table. Here we go. So that it doesn't get too sticky, you just put it on the flour and you roll it out like this. Or get your little friends to help you. And that's how you make Play-Doh and the end product like this. Thank you for joining us today. It's been great to have you with us at Parramatta. Say goodbye to our friends at home. Say goodbye.
Thanks everyone for watching our live. If you are looking for a playgroup near you, please jump onto our website at playgroupnewsouthwales.org.au. Please make sure that you fill in the details at the end of the video and you'll get a resource pack sent straight to you to your home address. Thanks everyone, and we hope to see you soon.